Matikas ba talaga? Today, I am very happy to note that despite all the odds, you were able to reach this far in your GBRC training, the recognition day.
We are gathered here today as we join our 303 strong recruits in celebrating an accomplishment, and that is surviving the hardest part of their training of being unrecognized.
Pagkilala sa inyong mga sakripisyo at pagsisikap upang makaabot sa araw na ito ng inyong saklanay.
I personally supervised you most of the time being your OIC and was impressed particularly on the training of your excess fats. Well done, dear recruits. I would like to remind you, however, that you still have a long way to go. Expect at least 2 more months before you finally leave the portals of this institution.
Always keep in mind that you always need to toe the line. Tandaan nyo, if you do it right in training, you will do it right in real life. Kaya sabi nyo nga palagi, huwag matakot gumawa ng tama. Pero pipilitin dapat na umiwas na gumawa ng mali.
Matagal kang naghihintay.
Hence, it is only fitting that within my capacity as the new director of NJFPDI, to give my thumbs up to the recommendation from the officer in charge, his able and competent staff, to the recognition of your class today, and eventually proceed to the next phase of your training.
We expect surprises from you, particularly the skills you have gained for us to enjoy, especially your loved ones and friends.
Congratulations, JBRC Class 2023-05. Keep up the good work and Godspeed.